Kirk Rifles coming to you from Plano, Texas. We're still at HQ Confidential 2022 Toyota Wonderland out here. We got the picturesque Ideal Extreme next to the hydrogen fuel cell Mirai. We got the Prius Prime, the RAV4 Prime here, the all-new Sequoia, iForce Max. Like, these are all electrified options on this side. A lot of electrified options. You see the Prius over there, the new UX, even the, I guess these all could be hybrids. Now that I'm looking at it, I didn't look too closely, but now that I'm looking at it, I think all these vehicles out here are hybrids and or electrified in some shape or form. We looked at the Mirai. Here's the BZ4X. Make sure to check out my driving impressions of this car. But I'm actually here for the humble and simple refresh 2023 Corolla. What we have here, guys, is a home run, and this is one of the favorite things for me at this event. The Corolla not only is the best-selling car of all time, I believe it's been around for many lifetimes at this point throughout the world, but the Corolla now, at least in America, is to the point that the Prius is completely pointless. And that's because the hybrid system on here has been upgraded. They revamped the electric motor, drive motor, they revamped the lithium-ion battery, and guess what? Just like the Prius all-wheel drive, you can get a Corolla in all-wheel drive now. They put an electric motor on the back to power these rear wheels. And these are very good and handsome wheels that we have here, very impressive. Now, this is one of the sportier trims. This is the SE hybrid. I have a really aggressive diffuser at the bottom here. Just a standard exhaust tip here. They didn't do much to hide that or make it look special, but I just spoke with Team Corolla. They're going behind the Highlander over there. I know that's really far away on the wide angle camera, but I need to tell you some additional information about this hybrid system. Uses the same 1.8 liter as the Prius and the previous generation hybrid. We got more grades though. So we have the LE in the past. We also have the XLE, which is now only in the hybrid. Before, it was only available in the non-hybrid. We also have SE. So I'm not 100% on the grades. I'll put it up on the screen, watch my full video on it. But the crazy thing that I have for you guys, what I'm most excited about is not the grades. Yeah, that's great, no pun intended. But the rear electric motor in here is 30 kilowatts. We don't have full horsepower numbers. We just know, at least when I talk to Team Corolla, that it's going to be more than the 121 horsepower of the outgoing model combined. Now, what's crazy, this 30 kilowatt rear motor is the exact same as the Corolla Cross hybrid rear motor. So that's roughly 40 horsepower. So that's going to make this a very fun to drive, especially in low traction conditions for this all-wheel drive hybrid. Fuel economy should be as good, if not better. The exhaust, guys, the exhaust, this is not final. So rest assured that this is prototype to the max. We will have a double barrel exhaust on the SE hybrid here. So I just wanted to stitch this in, but man, the Corolla, not only is the outside great, the hybrid powertrain's great, they've taken that next step as well for the interaction with the infotainment. And I can't get on the inside of this vehicle. You can probably tell that the windows are completely blacked out. This is a prototype. The interior has the new Toyota interface, so wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. This vehicle is going to come in at a very affordable price point. Now you can get the Corolla in all-wheel drive, but I just wanted to do a quick walk around on this vehicle. If I didn't point out the new daytime running lights, the new headlights on the upper grade of the Corolla, you have it. You still have the old edition or the old headlights on like the sedan base grades, which that's been upgraded as well. Gone is the 1.8 liter, now they're the 2 liter, 30 more horsepower. Anyways, it's just a great time to be alive. So many options, not only from Toyota and the marketplace, but they just keep getting better. Hopefully you get your hands on them. The supply chain should be getting better, guys, by the end of this year. The second half, they're expecting things to start getting better. It's been rough for the manufacturers for the past year or so with microchips and just the supply chain being messed up, but there's hope. The hope is on the horizon, and when things get back to normal, you're just going to have so many great options to choose from. The Corolla being great, the Corolla Cross hybrid, which I covered in another video. That's one of the lesser grades, I believe. But anyways, signing out from this particular video. Many more videos to come from Toyota headquarters here in Plano, Texas. Catch you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.